What is going on, YouTube? So I want to bring you guys a quick video since I'm just sitting here supercharging and waiting for the car to fully charge, going at 90%. So right now I've been here for about 20 minutes, another 15, and I was about 50 miles charging, now at 196, about $10. I feel like the rates have gone up for supercharging. I recall actually supercharging the car for about this amount, so it's probably going to cost me closer to $14 to $15 for about 261 miles of range, which is still, better than a tank of gas. But anyways, the point of this video is just want to show you guys the theater feature. So you're standing here, you're probably waiting another a good 20-30 minutes to charge or more. So what you can do is, if that's the case and you're just sitting here charging the car, you can click on this little button there and you're going to click on theater. And there was a recent update to the car, to the Tesla, so now there is Disney Plus. I believe that's a newer addition as one of the recent updates. Now I do want to let you guys know that this car was ordered on November 2021. So it actually has the Intel chip, which is slower than the AMD chip. This car takes about 10 to 15 seconds to load all these apps. It lags a little bit compared to the AMD, but I know that the AMD has slightly less range, and also I heard a lot of recalls on those. So although this takes a little bit longer, I'd still rather have a bit more range. So as you guys will notice, if you do get an EV, range is one of the most important things. But anyways, let me get into the video. So I'm gonna go into each of these apps. Some of them you're gonna have to log in. I don't have them set up, so we won't bother with those, but we'll go with what we have. So also want to show you the capability, but also how long it takes. So you just click on the app. So we'll go with Netflix, and you see how long it takes to load. Again, this is pretty standard with the Intel chips, and I know that the newer ones are coming with the AMD. So I think if you order one today, it should come with the AMD, and also I believe with the updated battery, which is supposedly better than the battery that this car came with. So if you're Netflix, you're gonna pick who's watching, and so yeah, basically you have all these things to choose from. You can search up here the movie, the title, and now if you want to get out, you just tap the screen and you'll see the X right there, and you X out. So then we'll go to YouTube next. So it works just like it would in on your laptop, on your smartphone, and besides the fact that it just lags a little bit to start, it is a pretty cool feature that you can use. So now we're going to open up YouTube, and the same thing, it tells you right there how much battery you have, and you can switch that to percentage or miles. And again, it's going to be about 261 miles, which is something also odd. Previously, the battery, when I got the car, 90%, which is recommended. They don't recommend you to charge to 100%. 100%, according to Tesla's 303 of range. This at 90%, when I first got it, was 272. Now it's about 261, and it hovers. So I don't know what's going on with that. If you guys know, please comment below. And then again, these are videos. So I'm logged in as me. Lovely little logo. Again, subscribe if you can, please. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. And this is also a very interesting video. So obviously they track things you've been watching. This is a real cool moves to earn for those crypto investors out there. And again, just things I've been watching, things that I recommend, and you see the quality is pretty good. So we'll play a video here on YouTube. So just wanted to share this with you guys.
So this is the new Formula One medical car. It's our AMG GT63S 4MATIC Plus, and I'm sure you are ready for a walk around. So follow me.
And you see the sound quality is very good. So we're gonna X out, and I'll show you guys. And there's also Tesla tutorials. So if there's a lot of things you want to learn about the car, you click on Tesla tutorials, and this will give you some pretty good insight on how to use the car for certain things. I've actually never opened this up, so this will be a learning experience for all of us. So again, that lag. So let's see, 10 minutes remaining. Video unavailable. Please check your internet connection. It's very odd because this is welcome. That's not working, but apparently these other ones are. That's weird because I do have the package that you pay $99 a month for. I think it's called Tesla Connect. So technically the car should have internet. So you have owner's manual. You have the keys, how the key works.
Your phone is your Tesla's key. We call it phone key. Clever name, huh?
Then you move under personalization. All right, so to get out, we're going to click here.
Well done. The easiest way
tap
to
on the
open the door is to reach with
screen,
your
or actually, sorry, you can go down here, go back to the theater button, and just look at TikTok. Now, the odd thing about TikTok for me, and let me know if any of you guys that have Teslas encounter this, it's giving me a loop. So I'm trying to log in with my account, and it just doesn't let me. See, this is for you.
So someone help me understand this shit. Police arrive at the scene of the shooting, right? And they call in.
And then you go to.
So someone help me understand this shit.
I don't want to do this. Listen to this guy. So you go to manage account, delete account. See, like how weird this is? There's somewhere in here that lets you log in. Anyways, it should let you log in.
So someone help me understand this shit. Police arrive at the scene of the shooting.
And then, like usual TikTok, you can go up, you can go down, you can like, you can comment. So let's get out of here. And let's see what Twitch looks like. Yeah, this is pretty cool if you got some time, if you got, obviously you have time to waste because you're going to be sitting here charging your car. If you go to supercharger, anywhere from 30 to 35 minutes, depending how much battery you came with and how much you want to charge it to. Now you can look at the Twitch live streams here. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, just want to give you a bit more insight as I'm sitting here trying to kill some time. I'm going to do a car review on this car. So I'm going to do a full review, all the ins and outs, 0 to 60. So stay tuned. That video should come out in a few days. Hope you guys enjoy. Take care.